If you want to change the login password on your Windows 11 computer, we can do that through the settings. So, I'll start by clicking the Start menu in the taskbar, and then I will go to Settings. Or you can hold down the Windows key on your keyboard, and then press the letter I. That will also open up the settings. Once you're in the settings, we're going to click on Accounts on the left sidebar, and then here we'll scroll down to Sign In Options. Then you can expand the password menu and click the Change button. Here, your computer will ask you for your current password, and then you can input the new password, and then type it again to confirm it and make sure you didn't have any typos when entering it. I'm not sure if this is the same on all computers, but my computer requires me to include a password hint as well. That's basically it. Click Finish at the end, and your new password is ready to be used. One important note is that if you sign into Windows using your Microsoft email, like your Outlook or Hotmail, Windows will force this password change to happen online so it can sync across all your devices. So, you would follow the same steps that I just did, but when you proceed to change the password, Windows will launch a secure pop-up window connecting to Microsoft servers where you can enter your current password to log in. And if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will get a security code to your phone or backup email to verify your identity first. And then you can type in your new password and save it. Just keep in mind that if you do it this way, changing the account password will change it for everything linked to that email address, including your OneDrive, Xbox account, Office 365, and Outlook on your mobile devices. Anyways, that's how you change your login password. Click that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.